Hi, I'm Adrian, one of the co-founder of La Grosse Machine. Today we're going to talk about campaign prioritization. You've probably launched multiple campaigns at the same time for a single identity and got the impression that some are going faster than others. Actually, this is not the case. You can obviously run multiple campaigns at the same time, but La Grosse Machine will have to apply specific prioritization rules to your campaigns for optimum automation. To be precise, when faced with more actions to be performed in a given day than your limits allow, we will follow two rules. First, we will always prioritize follow-ups on leads that have already been activated rather than activating new leads. We want to make sure that follow-ups will always arrive on time. If there are no follow-ups left to be sent, we will activate new leads. However, we will prioritize activating new leads in the oldest campaign first. It's only once all the leads in the oldest campaigns that have been activated that we will activate new leads in the next oldest campaign. Let's take a quick example here to illustrate it. We have launched 3 campaigns at the same time. One with a lot of leads, one with very little leads, and another one with a lot of leads. We will have to activate all the leads here first before activating new leads here and new leads here. Given that the audience here is a little bit big, this can take a few days. This is why leads will not be activated yet here and here. You cannot evenly split lead activation between 3 campaigns at the same time. Should you need to prioritize activation of new leads on a specific campaigns, you may want to pause the oldest campaign before. Hopefully this makes sense. If you have more questions, feel free to reach out to the support team using this button.